Hello, my name is Taylor Ball, and today I'm going to be talking about the role of the pancreas and liver on the digestive system. Let's get started. So, as I said before, the liver and the pancreas, as well as the gallbladder, are called accessory organs. This means they work with the GI tract to break down food. And as you can see, I put a picture in here of the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas, just so you can kind of see a visual representation of what these look like in the body as we talk about them. So, starting with the pancreas. The pancreas is located just below the stomach. The function is to produce chemicals to digest the food that we eat. There are two portions of the pancreas, one being the endocrine portion and the other being the exocrine portion. The endocrine portion secretes insulin and other hormones. These include beta cells and alpha cells. Beta cells release insulin when blood sugar levels rise. Insulin, furthermore, moves the glucose from the blood into muscles and other tissues to create energy for the body. It also helps the liver absorb glucose. This stores as glycogen if the body needs some more energy. On the other hand, alpha cells release the hormone glucagon when the blood sugar decreases. Glucagon causes glycogen to be broken down in the liver. Glucose enters the bloodstream, restoring the sugar levels back to the homeostasis. Endocrine tissues secrete a clear, watery, alkaline juice that contains several enzymes. These break down food into small molecules that can be absorbed by the intestines. These enzymes include trypsin, which helps to digest the proteins, amylase to break down carbohydrates, as well as lipase to break down fats into fatty acids and cholesterol. And then up in the right-hand corner, I just kind of have a picture labeling the different parts of the pancreas. If you have a healthy pancreas, it should secrete about 1 liter of enzymes every day and is roughly 6 to 8 inches long. Disorders of the pancreas include, but are not limited to, of course, not producing enough digestive enzyme leads to food not being properly absorbed. This could lead to weight loss as well as diarrhea. Low insulin production increases the risk of diabetes. Blood glucose levels rise because of this. Lastly, I labeled here pancreatitis. Pancreatitis would just be inflammation that could lead to secondary diabetes. Inflammation can occur if the main duct of the pancreas is blocked by a gallstone or tumor. Because of this blockage, there will be juices that accumulate and could lead to the pancreas actually digesting itself, which would be very bad. Next, we're going to talk about the liver and its role in the digestive system. Both, as I said before, the liver and the pancreas are very, very important. So, the liver is a large meaty organ that weighs roughly 3 pounds. The liver is broken down into 2 lobes, as you can see in the top right-hand picture, the right lobe and the left lobe. The working cells that make up the liver are called hepatocytes. The location of the liver is in the right upper quadrant of the abdominal cavity. The function is to filter blood coming from the digestive tract before passing the blood to the rest of the body. So basically, this is just detoxification and purification of the blood. It also produces nutrients absorbed from the small intestine, bile production, and excretion. Excretion of bilirubin, cholesterol, and breaks down and secretes drugs. Metabolism of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. It also has enzyme activation, the storage of glycogen, vitamins, and minerals, and it synthesizes the plasma proteins, albumin, and the clotting factor. So, I'll start with the picture up here in the right-hand corner again. I thought this was a great picture because it kind of illustrates the flow of everything. So the bile starts in the liver, moves down, is stored into the gallbladder, and then moves into the intestine. As well as you can see here, the stomach, the food comes down into the stomach, then moves into the intestine here, and you can see the pancreatic juice also flows into the intestine. So both these work together to help create absorption in the intestine. So, as I said before, below the right lobe of the liver is the gallbladder, located here. Its job is to release bile from the duodenum to help absorb and digest the fats that we eat. Liver disease. So liver disease can be hepatitis, inflammation of the liver, usually caused by viruses like hepatitis A, B, and C. Hepatitis can have a non-infectious cause too. This could be the cause from heavy drinking, drugs, allergic reactions, and or obesity. Cirrhosis is a long-term damage to the liver that can lead to permanent scarring, and the liver then becomes unable to function well. Liver cancer is the most common type of disease that is created from the liver. It always usually occurs after there's cirrhosis, which is just scarring. Liver failure, which is very bad, can causes can be infection, genetic disease, excessive alcohol drinking. So, just to recap, as I said, the liver and the pancreas are huge roles in breaking down food further, so we can our bodies can basically absorb it and use it to survive. I hope this video helped, and thank you very much for watching.